Good morning, children. Welcome back to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 5th standard, subject English, topic Save the Wildlife. Dear children, what do you mean by wildlife? Wildlife refers to undomesticated animals living in the wild, including those hunted for food, sport, or profit. Can you name few wild animals? Lion, tiger, zebra, rhinoceros, cheetah, fox, elephant, etc. Children, the animal kingdom is filled with almost an infinite variety of creatures. It is an unfortunate fact that the most of us get to wildlife is through bars at the zoo. Isn't it, children? Our urban lifestyle has the effect of cutting us off from the glorious world of the animal kingdom. Every animal has a lesson to teach us that we are not hearing. We may think that we have evolved away from contact with animal kingdom, but the question is, at what cost? Now come to the topic Save the Wildlife. The poem was written by Lucy Doyles. Her poems are Save the Wildlife, My Lost Friend, The Squirrel in the Wood. Here you can see some words on the screen now. Most used words by Lucy Doyles. Most of the time she used these words while writing the poem. Now I'll explain the poem. First I'll recite it. You listen carefully and learn to recite and enjoy. See the seals swimming away, the little foxes as happy as day, the baby birds flying above, the lions resting with their cubs. The animals seem also free until the humans kill as much as can be. Why all this cruelty? Can't it stop? What have they done? What is up? Save the wildlife, keep them from harm, for they are God's creatures, only charm. Keep them free, keep them safe, have some kindness in your place. See the seals swimming away, the little foxes as happy as day, the baby birds flying above, the lions resting with their cubs. Here the poetess mentions some animals: seals, foxes, birds and lions. Isn't it, children? No. Seals are swimming. The seals are swimming and the little foxes as happy as day. Here the little foxes are very happy like day. Day means what comes in our mind? The brightness, isn't it? Night means darkness. So here the poet describes the foxes are very happy like day. The baby birds are flying above in the sky. The baby birds are flying and the lions resting with their cubs. Here, cubs are young ones of lions. Now tell me children, the which animals can the poet see? The poet can see seals, little foxes, baby birds and lions. Isn't it children? Now tell me, what are the seals doing? The seals are swimming. And what are the birds doing? The birds are flying in the sky. What are the lions doing? The lions are resting with their cubs. In this stanza, we have rhyme scheme. Already I have explained about rhyme scheme in previous poem. Once again, we recall it. Rhyme scheme is the pattern of rhymes at the ends of the lines of a poem or verse. In this stanza, see the seal swimming away, the little foxes as happy as day. Here the first line away is rhymes with, in the second line day. So the rhyme scheme is A. In third line, the baby birds flying above, the lions resting with their cubs. Here above is not rhymes with cubs. So here above is B, fourth line C. So in this stanza, rhyme scheme is A, B, C. And the poetess uses simile here. Simile is one of the figure of speech. A figure of speech is a word or phrase that is used in some other way than its literal meaning. Simile is a figure of speech comparing two unlike things that is often introduced by like or as. For example, life is like a box of chocolates. Here, life compared to box of chocolates. Life compared to chocolates. Here both are life and chocolates, both are different things or unlike things. As busy as bees. In this stanza, the simile is the little foxes as happy as day. Here, foxes compared to, the foxes are happy like a day. Next stanza, the animals seem all so free until the humans kill as much as can be. Why all this cruelty? Can't it stop? What have they done? What is up? In the wild, animals are free. Until the humans kill them. The animals are happy in their kingdom until the humans kill them. The poet asks us why the people kill the animals and why all this cruelty? Can't it stop? All this cruelty. Cruelty is the noun form of cruel. The opposite of cruelty is kindness. Hunting wildlife is most commonly done by humans for meat and for trade purpose. But can't it stop? What they have done? They won't harm us, isn't it? Next, save the wildlife keep them from harm, for they are God's creatures, only charm. Keep them free, keep them safe, have some kindness in your place. The poet asked to save wildlife because they are God's creatures. So, the poet suggests that in order to save the wildlife, we should keep them free and safe. We should have some kindness in our place to save the wildlife. We should not hunt the wild animals. Already government also banned hunting the animals is illegal. Children, we must save wildlife, as wildlife plays an important role in balancing the environment. Wildlife helps in maintaining the ecological balance of nature. Life is almost impossible without the support of wildlife. We are also a part of wildlife to make ecological balance on earth. Our life is almost impossible without the support of wildlife, because here the wildlife can be used to earn money. How? Wild plant products like food, medicine, timber, fiber, etc. are of economic value, and the wild animal products such as meat, hide, ivory, lac, skill, etc. are of tremendous economic value. The people kill the elephant because of its ivory. Then they kill tiger because of its skins. Already you know some shoes and leather bags made up of animal skin only, isn't it? For this purpose, the people kill the animals. But wildlife is also considered to be the one of the greatest factor for increase and better development of world trade and increase in national income also. Hence, wildlife is of immense value to all in economic development. Since wildlife is the source of income to many, they play a vital role in their life as the economic factor. By conserving wildlife, diversity in the environment can be conserved. According to some scientists, an ecosystem with more diversity is more stable. That's why, children, we should save wildlife. I hope you have understood the poem and have you enjoyed? Now, home assignment. Which animals can the poet see? Which animals can the poet see? The poet can see seals, birds, foxes, and lions. What are these animals doing in the poem? Seal. The seals are swimming. Baby birds. Baby birds are flying above. Thank you, children.